Welcome back to National Defense Channel. The YF-23 couldn't beat the F-22 Raptor for this one reason. McDonnell Douglas YF-23 is an American single-seat, twin-engine stealth fighter aircraft technology demonstrator designed for the United States Air Force. In the 1980s, the USAF began looking for a replacement for its fighter aircraft, especially to counter the USSR Advanced Sukhoi 27 and MiG-29. Here's for this one reason of the YF-23 couldn't beat the F-22 Raptor. This is certainly the case of the McDonnell Douglas YF-23, a fifth-generation, single-seat, twin-engine stealth fighter designed for the United States Air Force in the late 1980s as part of the American Advanced Tactical Fighter Challenge. The YF-23's unique design was quite distinct from the YF-22, and it has been described as having an almost pancake-like airframe structure with blended wing elements. Its diamond-shaped wings were meant to reduce aerodynamic drag at transonic speeds. Two prototypes of the YF-23 were built, each with a different set of engines, as one element of the development phase of the program was to evaluate two experimental turbofan engines. The FY-23 was very evenly matched with the YF-22. While the YF-23 had a top speed of 1,451 mph to the YF-22's 1,599 mph, the Northrop design had a longer range and a higher ceiling. 2,796 miles maximum range and a ceiling of 65,000 feet. By contrast, the YF-22 had a range of 2,000 miles and a ceiling of 50,000 feet. Where the YF-22 had the edge, however, was in agility, something that is of the utmost of importance in a fighter aircraft. The F-22 Lightning II was simply better in a dogfight, and that was enough to convince the Air Force that it would be the better of the two. In the end, it wasn't that the YF-23 was a bad design, nor was it really a losing design. It was really just a classic example of where the competition was just that much better. For every winner, there is also a second best. When it comes to military hardware, there are plenty of designs that were very good, very innovative, and likely would have been more than up to the role required. But there was simply something just a little better. This is certainly the case of the Northrop/McDonnell Douglas YF-23, a fifth-generation, single-seat, twin-engine stealth fighter designed for the United States Air Force. The stealth characteristics, unique to the plane, in particular, had to be guarded against enemy hands. This was the official reason given. However, the unstated reason is believed to be that the U.S. was suspicious of Israel transferring the technology associated with the Raptor to Russia or China.